Hello, friends. Once again, it's an honor to welcome you here back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is a 1982 Chevy S10 pickup. It's in the garage today because the owner lost his brakes. So we're going to see if we can figure out what's going on here. Well, friends, if you're familiar with any of my recent videos, you'll know that there's construction going on next door. So once again, I apologize for that. Off camera, I went ahead and removed the cover from the master cylinder. As you can see, the reservoir in the front is empty. That means the problem is in the rear. The front reservoir goes to the rear brakes, the back reservoir goes to the front brakes. We didn't have to look too far to find the problem. As you can see, there's brake fluid dripping from the rear drum. This is on the passenger side. So evidently there's an issue with the wheel cylinder. So let's pull this drum off and see what's going on. Hopefully it won't be too difficult to pull this drum. You never know what to expect. Oh wow, that came right off very easily. Those brakes must be really bad. Looks like the piston blew right out of the cylinder. I'm going to pull this spring so we can get a better look at it. Okay friends, it looks like the actuator on the end of the piston slipped off the shoe, and that's what caused the piston to blow out because it was getting no resistance. I'm not sure why this occurred, but we're certainly going to find out. So I'm going to pull the rest of these parts off and see if we can figure out why this piston or the shoe came out of position to the extent that the actuator slipped off where it was supposed to be pressing on the shoe. Well friends, I think I found the problem. After pulling the shoes and hardware off, you can see the wheel cylinder is very loose. I'm going to remove the retaining clip and see if I can figure out why. Well, as you can see, the whole upper portion of the backing plate that holds the spring clip in is missing. So I think the combination of the wheel cylinder being a little bit loose and the excessive wear on the shoes probably contributed to the piston slipping by the shoe and blowing out. So this means we're going to have to replace this backing plate. Well friends, in order to replace these two rear backing plates, we have to slip out the axles. This is one of those vehicles that uses C-clips to hold the axles in. That means we have to remove the rear differential cover and drain the gear oil. Then once we get the clips out, we can slide the axles out and actually replace those two backing plates. It's a little bit more of a job that I'm interested in getting involved with at my age. However, this truck belongs to a very dear friend of mine, and he told me he's in no hurry to get it back. So as long as I can take my time, I'm going to try to help him out with it. I know if he takes it to a dealer or a regular repair shop, it'll cost him much more to repair this truck than what it's actually worth. So I'm going to end this video here. There'll be a follow-up video forthcoming on the actual repairs. I'm going to be doing the repairs outside. As you can see, he's got a cap on the back with a rack, and it's almost now touching the garage doors, so I really can't get the truck up high enough to do what I need to do. So I'm going to pull it out and work on it outside. It's warm here now in the Northeast. We're in springtime, so there'll be enough good days where I can work on it out there. And like I said, he's not in a hurry to get it back, so I'll take my time with it. It's going to take more than a week to get the parts in because the truck's so old. So I'll look forward to seeing you again in the next video. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. To your left, I'm going to post 2 videos that I hope you find of interest. Feel free to click on one or the other. And to your right will be a picture of my avatar, my trusty German Shepherd. Feel free to click on him if you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and we'll look forward to see you in the follow-up video.